I know that Jason has a question. So, Jason, I'm going to put your microphone on there.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, great. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning.
Okay, I have a couple of questions, and I'm actually still bringing it up on my screen. The big thing is back to this the custom creating a custom template.
Mm-hmm.
And my guess is that we might need to do a little screen sharing to do this. But basically, I'm working with the code.
Let me put you on. Let me make you a presenter here, and then we can go ahead and take a look at your screen. Let's see. I'm going to make you a presenter. And I'm going to, there you go.
There you go. All right, so we can show my screen. You should be able to see my screen now. So what I'm doing here is adding the number. This is the code that we set up, and you explained in one of your tutorials we worked with a few weeks ago to create a sign-up bar for a custom page that I want to be able to use as a squeeze page or a landing page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I did was I just inserted the page number, the page ID here for this page. I just tried this yesterday, and it was coming out very wacky on my screen. So now we'll go back over here. So that's page 938. We can switch this to, so by going over here and switching this to the custom template, and then update. And we go, and this is even different than what it was doing yesterday. Yesterday it was for something. Did I not save it correct? Oh, probably just didn't save it. That's why. Okay, hold on. Let me save this first. You're following what I'm doing. I'm
yes.
Guessing, right? Yes. Okay, good. Because I know I just kind of jumped right in. Okay, so that's saved. So if we go over here, reload. Huh.
Okay, I'm going to mute you while I talk here.
Okay.
So when this happens here, well, actually go back to your browser for a moment. So when this happens, that is, you've got your header and you've got your footer and nothing in between, and you have it set as a custom template, that means that the custom template code is not being applied to this page. Now, there are a variety of reasons. You know, one of them could be that the custom code's not being applied to the page because you have the wrong page number. But I know that's not the case because I saw that page number 938 in the edit window. Another one is because that file might not actually be uploaded to the correct place. And then I guess one other possibility is that there's simply an error in the code. So start by looking at your file. Well, actually, let's start right there. Why don't you go ahead and scroll down to Thesis and open up the Thesis design options. Thesis custom file editor. So yeah, there you go. Go ahead and open that up and go down to custom file editor. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look and see what code is actually loaded for this. Now, instead of custom CSS, select custom functions PHP. Yeah, go ahead and select edit selected file. And then when that shows up, now what I want you to do is just scroll slowly through the code. In fact, actually, yeah, okay, hang on. Okay, scroll down to the code where that's much easier to watch. Good. So scroll down to the code where it gets to your custom template. Okay, you can see that this says if is page 625, which means that you did not upload that file. Either you didn't upload it to your website or you were editing the wrong file. I'm going to put you back online here now. So
this is very strange because this is the file that I opened. I believe it's the right file. Let's try and open it again. 625. I just didn't say. I don't understand that. 938. I did press save, right? Oh, I did.
well,
But it's not. That's weird. It's like not taking. Let's close this.
actually, the problem is, well, there's a couple problems. One of them is that probably the file in your text editor was not this same file. It was probably located someplace else. And so actually, I would be willing to bet you that the custom functions PHP on the left there probably is not the one that you were editing. Although it says 1219, maybe you just didn't upload it. I see, it's 1220. And you can see that over on the left it says 1219. So, well, anyway, why don't you go back to your browser now and see how that looks, and I'll turn your microphone back on.
I'm muted.
Okay. Ah, okay. So we just made some progress. It's still basically I want. Well, that's great. So we figured that part out. I think it just didn't save properly for some reason the first time I pressed save. I don't know. I must have done something wrong.